Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys some available Starpets promo codes. What you need to do is head over to Google and search for Starpets promo codes, just like so. As you can see, there are some websites. So let's go to Talk Android, and they have for September. You need to scroll down, and as you can see, they say that there are no currently new Starpets codes. So we check into another website, and they say Lily is working, and it is the best Starpets promo code right now. It has been last reported to work 1 hour ago, so you can go ahead and try Lily. And yeah, basically the way to do it is just head over and look into websites that provide these codes, and then type in these codes. As you can see, Prabzil, Not Luke, To Be Honest, Gabsia, these things, you can go ahead, take a screenshot and type this in. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.